Welcome back to my channel. Today morning we got a new package and I was gonna review it because I always like reviewing stuff. This is not personally not for me. It's for my sister. It's a sit to stand. It's a sit to. I'll read the title to you. Sit to stand learning walker. That's what this thing is called. And I'm gonna have some help from my dad assembling it because it's gonna be a little hard. So let's get started. Now I'm gonna be taking out everything from here. And then we're gonna put the box over here. So now we have put the legs.
You can do that, I think.
So now I'm gonna put on these legs. My dad's gonna help me on this one because it's a little hard. Oh, that way. So now we put this handle right here into it.
On this side, it will fit on this. I need to push this.
So now this is on. I don't know what this is for, but we have to put it on.
You need to put this.
We putting this on. We're putting this on now. And also, I forgot to mention it. So this thing has reading and music and a piano and all sorts of good stuff. So let me just put it on. Push it down, then press. Okay, now where does this thing go? And now that thing goes here. Now we're gonna switch this on to music mode, and I'm gonna show you what I can do.
Welcome to our learning farm. We have lots to show you. Shapes and colors, music too. There's so much to do. It's a farmyard sing-along.
So there's a piano. There's a piano. There's a piano over here. There's some of these gears. There's a door. There's these little things. It also has these things. It also has these things where you have to put the shapes into it and insert the shapes into these holes. You also can press the start button. And that's basically all the things that it can do.
Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. Thanks.
Now I'm gonna show you the. So I'm gonna show you how babies will use this thing. So I'm gonna show you. So this is how a baby will use it. They'll use it like this. I also forgot to mention it has a telephone. This is a fun and good way for your little daughter to know how to stand and sit. So, bye-bye. I hope you like my review. It's something very good that I personally like from Amazon. So make sure to subscribe, make a like, and put a big thumbs up. Goodbye.